Well, here's what we're going to be doing is creating a drone fishing situation using this lure. We're going to carefully attach to this drone as such. I've created this very sophisticated balancing system. The idea is the drone will take the bait and submerge it underwater and carry it until such time as the fish bites on the lure, like such. Getting your hands dirty or smelly. You have the drone.
Big drone fishing. Drop the net in.
It hasn't really been